What's up traders? How you guys doing today? I hope you're all doing great. It's a fine day, guys. So you know what? I'm back with another banger for you guys, right? As you can see here, I'm already on a sell setup, and today I'm going to teach you a powerful strategy that you can use to scalp the Boom 1000 and Crash 1000 index, right guys? So before I even start teaching you, I want to appreciate all my new subscribers. You guys are really awesome, and we've hit our goal, which is 200 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and through that I'm going to be sharing powerful strategies, powerful content for you guys, those guys who have small accounts. My strategies are really awesome, and you're going to grow your accounts, guys, right? So stay tuned for more. I'm just waiting to get a right laptop setup, then I can also start posting Nasdaq strategies, currencies, VIX 75, and all those pairs which you can trade, right guys? So also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and you can also comment. You can tell me something, right? If you've not understood something, just comment it and ask me something, right guys? So make sure you also pay close attention to what I'm going to teach you, and please watch the whole video so that you understand everything pertaining to this strategy, right? This strategy is powerful, and I've used it today and I've really made some money, guys. So watch close and pay attention, right? So let me just head straight to show you how it works, right? So look here, guys. You can see I'm in a sell setup, right? And I'm going to teach you how I've caught this sell, and you can see here I'm scalping a few candlesticks, then I'll be out of the markets. So look here, guys, right? The strategy has only 3 indicators, which are super simple, and you're going to love it. So ensure you watch the whole video, right? As you can see here, right, there are spikes to the upside, right? Meaning now price, when it reached this level, this 90 level, right, it was overbought. And you can see the green line, this green line here on the stochastic, right? This green line over here, it touched the 90 level, right? So our first condition was met, right? The green line touched the 90 level, right? So our second condition was the crossover, right, which happened, the green line and the red line, these are the alligators, right? You can see the crossover happened. Also, right, you can see here price started trading below this purple moving average, right? So this was my region where I started looking for sells. But before I looked for sells, right, I went to the 15 minutes time frame, right guys, to check my trend, right? So how do you check the trend from the 15 minutes time frame, right? You just go to the 15 minutes time frame. Simple, it's really simple. As you can see here, right, you can see this red candlestick forming currently, right? This red candlestick, right? The 15 minutes time frame is a much higher time frame, right? So when you see a red candlestick, it confirms your downtrend. Remember, this is Boom 1000. So Boom 1000, right, Boom 1000 will be looking for sells, and Crash 1000 will be looking for buys, right guys? So as you see here, we are in a sell setup because the trend has agreed, because you can see the red candlestick, and that is how you check your trend. You have to see a red candlestick on Boom 1000 from the 15 minutes time frame, right? This 15 minutes time frame, you can see the red candlestick. So that's what I am looking to scalp, and you only scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks. So let me just see how many these candlesticks are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And guys, let me close these trades. I'm just scalping 5 candlesticks. So if you're a beginner, if you have a small account, $20 account, just scalp 5 candlesticks and you're out of the markets. It's really simple. You've seen everything. It's really simple. Let me close these trades, then I'll get back to you guys. So guys, I'm back and I've already closed my trades, right? So if you're new to the channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, right? Just hit that subscribe button. Yeah, it really motivates me. Okay, so let me just show you as you've seen how we've taken that sell, it's super easy, super simple. You just have to wait for the crossover here from the 1 minute time frame, right? And also you have to wait for price to start trading below this moving average. This is where you sell. But remember, check the trend from the 15 minutes time frame. You have to see a red candlestick, right? A red candlestick confirms your trend from the 15 minutes time frame. Also, this green line here, you can see this green line, it must touch the 90 level, meaning now it was overbought. The red will not touch, but the green one will touch, and after the crossover, you can see what happened, guys, right? So let me give you like 2 examples, then I can teach you how to trade now the crash 1000. You can see here, guys, right? It's really simple and powerful. This strategy is really powerful, guys. I've made money with this strategy and I must share it with you. Look here, this huge spike, right? You can see the spike caused the price to be overbought, and you can see our first condition was the green line touched the 90, right? So it was around this region, right? Now after the crossover, as you can see here, let me show you. After the crossover here, guys, right? After the crossover, price was now starting to trade below this moving average, this purple moving average, which I'll give you the settings, right? So this is the region where you sell, right? But before you even sell, right, you head to the 15 minutes time frame and check to see a red candlestick to confirm your trend, right? When you see a red candlestick, you have confirmed your trend, and you sell, and you just scalp 5 candlesticks. If you have a small account, just scalp 5 candlesticks. If you have probably $100 account, right, you can scalp 7 candlesticks, and also use 0.2, which is the least lot size, right? If those guys who have $20 account, you know, $50 account, just if you have $20 account and below, just use 0.2 to scalp, right? And that's enough, right? So let me show you the last example, right? You can see it's easy, it's the same thing happening, right? And there are so many opportunities you can find with this strategy in a day. So look here, guys, the spikes to the upside, right, making price was overbought, right? You can see it was overbought. Now our first condition, the green line touched the 90 level, this 90 level, right? The green line touched the 90 level, but you just don't sell from there, right? You have to be patient for this crossover of the green and the red line. These ones there, it's the alligator, right? You can see after the crossover, now price was starting to trade below this moving average. So this region, right? So this region is where you're looking to sell after the crossover has happened, right? But before you enter your sales, right, you go to the 15 minutes time frame to confirm your trend, and you'll confirm your trend when you see a red candlestick forming, right? It's simple, guys. It's really powerful, and you just scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks. Just like that, right? 5 to 7 candlesticks. Don't be greedy, guys. That's enough for you to make money, right? You can also see over here, like, there's so many setups in a day, guys. There's so many setups you can grow all your small accounts with this strategy, right? You can see spikes to the upside, the same thing that's happening, right? The green line touches the 90 level, right, meaning price is overbought, right? So after the crossover over here, right, you after the crossover, it has confirmed now, right? So when price starts trading below this moving average, right, this is the region where you're looking to sell, right? But before you sell, you go to the 15 minutes time frame, check to see a red candlestick to confirm your trend, and after you see a red candlestick, you just enter. Don't fear, you scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, guys. As simple as that. Really powerful, really easy, right? You can see here also the same thing happened, right? The same thing happened over here. Super simple, guys, right? You can see the spikes to the upside. I'm telling you, this strategy is powerful, guys, right? You can see the green line touch the 90, meaning now it was overbought, right? So after the crossover, right after the crossover is when now you're looking to scalp, right? So when price starts trading below this purple moving average, right, you're looking to sell, right? So but before you sell, right, you head to the 15 minutes time frame to check your trend, and you will see, if you see a red candlestick, you have confirmed your trend. It's really simple, right? You sell, scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, and don't be greedy, and you're out of the markets, right? As simple as that, guys, right? I hope you've understood now how to catch the boom 1000, just how I've caught that trade. You can see, guys, you can see the reason why I'm telling you to scalp 5 candlesticks. You can see this spike, guys, right? But if you scalp 5 candlesticks, you are not going to be, you're not going to get caught in this type of movement, right, guys? After the crossover, just enter your sell, scalp 5 candlesticks, right? Okay, so let me show you how now to trade the crash 1000, right? Remember, this strategy only use these 2 pairs, right? Use these 2 pairs to trade these strategies, right? These other ones are too volatile and they're going to, you know, stress you out. Don't use many pairs, just use boom 1000 and crash 1000. So boom 1000, I've shown you how to catch your sells. Now crash 1000, let me show you how to catch the buys, right? It's just the opposite of what we are doing from the boom 1000, right? It's easy, right? So watch here, guys. Okay, just look here, right? Just look here. You can see over here. Now the green line must touch, you can see this green line must touch the 10 level, meaning now price was oversold. It must touch the 10 level, right? And after it touches the 10 level, right, as you can see, it touched the 10 level over here, you wait for the crossover, right? After the crossover, when price starts trading above this purple line, right, which is the moving average, you enter your buys, right? But before taking your buys, guys, right, you head to the 15 minutes time frame, right? It's easy now for crash 1000, right? You have to see a green candlestick to confirm your trend, right? So if you see a green candlestick, you've confirmed your trend, and you enter your buy, right, and you scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, guys. As simple as that, really powerful, as easy as that, guys, right? Don't complicate, it's super easy, right? I hope you've understood now how to catch that buy, right? Let me give you another example. Remember, guys, it's the third zoom level, right? Third zoom level. This is the first zoom level, the second zoom level, third zoom level, guys, right? Okay, look here closely. You can see this huge spike, right, to the downside. You can see the huge spike to the downside, right? And around this region, you can see the green line touch the 10 level. As you can see, it touched the 10 level, right? It confirmed, right? Our first confirmation. Now the second confirmation is the crossover of the green and the red line, right? After the crossover happened, right, price, you wait for price to start trading above this moving average. So this is the region where you're looking to buy. But remember, before you buy, right, you head to the 15 minutes time frame to confirm your trend. You have to see a green candlestick forming, right, on the 15 minutes time frame. And if you see a green candlestick, don't fear, you're scalping 5 to 7 candlesticks. 5 is enough. Just scalp 5 candlesticks, and you, like that, you just grow your account, your small account, just gradually, right? And you don't overtrade it. You can even trade like 5 times and you're done for the day, right? You can trade like 5 times and you're done for the day, right? And you just wait for the following day. You know, in trading, you don't have to overtrade. You don't have to take many trades, right? Don't revenge the market, right? Just take 5 trades and you're done for the day, right? So look here again, guys, right? Easy. This strategy, it's really powerful, guys, right? Look here, there were spikes to the downside, right? There were spikes to the downside, and the green line, our first condition, the green line touched this 10 level. You can see it touched the 10 level over there, right? Let me show you. You can see it touched this 10 level, right? Meaning now it was oversold. So you wait for the crossover of the green and the red line, right? You wait for the crossover. After the crossover, guys, right, you now wait for price to start trading above the moving average, and this is the region where you're starting to buy. But before you buy, head to the 15 minutes time frame, right? You have to see a green candlestick to confirm your trend. Guys, you have to see a green candlestick to confirm the trend, and after that you enter your buy scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks and you're out of the markets. As simple as that, guys, right? As simple as that. Don't complicate. It's really easy and super simple, right? You can see here, guys, again, when this stuff happens, you can see when everything here happens, right? You can see the first condition was the green line touched the 10, right? Now, meaning now price was oversold, right? After the crossover, right? After the crossover, wait for price to start trading above this moving average, and this is the region where you're looking to buy, right? But before you buy, head to the 15 minutes time frame. You check to see a green candlestick. It confirms your trend, and that is where you buy, right? Easy, guys. And you scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, and I recommend you to just scalp 5 candlesticks, like how I've just done on our first trade there on Boom 1000. 5 are enough and you make money, right? There's so many examples. You can see everywhere. You can see the strategy is working everywhere. It's working so much, guys. Look here, right? It's working perfectly. This strategy, it's powerful. Look here, there's so many setups in a day, right? Just look here, powerful strategy, right? So let me quickly give you the settings. So that you can head to also make money, right? Okay, our first indicator, right? It's this moving average. This is the moving average on the main chart, right? It's easy. You can see here, guys. Just screenshot it and paste it as it is on your charts, right? Period 21, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style, you can see 4 pixel, any color of your choice, right? Screenshot it and paste it as it is on your charts, right? And you're done. You will see the moving average on the main chart. So our second indicator, right, it's this stochastic oscillator, right? The stochastic oscillator, it's a momentum indicator, right? Okay, so these are the settings of the stochastic. Easy, guys, and just screenshot it and paste it as it is on your charts, right? You can see the K period 21, the D period 9, slowing 9, price field low high. Ensure you put it as it is on your charts. Method simple. Then here on the colors, put them at the color of your background, right? You can see mine is white, so my background is white, so mine is white. If you have a black background, put them at black. And also another important thing are the levels, right? The levels, right? You can see here the levels. Just add also the levels, the 10, 90, 80 and 20. Then here on the 80, label it overbought so that you know, and the 20 oversold. Just screenshot it and paste it as it is on your charts. Don't try to change something, right? And you're done. Now our last indicator, which is the alligator, right? It's the alligator, right? And you add it on the indicator window 1, guys. You add it on the indicator window 1. So you tap there, you want to add it on the stochastic. So these are the settings. And these settings of the alligator, ensure you put them like how I've put mine, so that you don't confuse, right? Just screenshot it, right? Just screenshot everything right now. Just screenshot right now, right? And paste it as it is on your charts, guys, right? You can see everything over here. Paste it as it is on your charts, right? The jaws period 9, jaw shift 3, teeth period 8, teeth shift 2, lips period 15, right? Lips shift 2, method exponential, apply to median price HL2, right? So here on the colors, this is really important, right? On the colors here, you can see here, guys, let me just show you quickly. You can see here the jaw style here. So this one, put it at the color of your background. The jaw style, we don't want to see this jaw style. Put it at the color of your background. Then the teeth style, 4 pixel, and you can see color green, right? Then the lip style also, which the lip style we also want to see it, right? You can see here the 4 pixel and the red, color red. Guys, just screenshot it and paste it as it is exactly. Don't make a mistake, right? And you're done. So you will see the indicators over there on your charts. So make sure you backtest on your demo account before you can go to a live account, and I wish you all the best with this strategy. So remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you love the strategy, and I'll really appreciate you all. Okay, so thank you so much. May God bless you. Continue grinding, continue pushing, and for sure you're going to make it one day. So we're on the road to 300 subscribers. I really appreciate you all, guys. Thank you, guys.